DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Gang. Yo, what's good YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. Dan is back in the lab. Yeah man gang, you know how I'm gonna work? You know how I'm gonna work? Your Alkaline, when you do that, you drop songs so you're late in the morning, brother. How go on? When you drop this? Because this is a couple people 3 hours ago, 5 hours ago. When you drop this, man? Midnight, dog, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, bro. Because I was up till about 2 o'clock and I ain't see no songs from you, my G. So what? Go on. But anyway, take that out there, gang, man. Check it out and see. We're there with Boss, every Boss, the Vendetta Boss, the Vendetta Dan. You see who we are there with Mr. Touch himself. You see me and say? Yeah, Mr. Hush Move. We're there with none of that Alkaline, the one named 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. Check it out and see where dog I deal with. Now, from the title, dog, and considering Cartel just dropped, why did you drop a song named 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿? Are you still trying to throw shade at the fact that people think say, yo, you take away Shorty from Cartel, or you take Cartel Gyal, or you Gyal is the Cartel? Are you trying to play at that fact Alkaline? Mr. Touch, Mr. Hush Move? Let's find out what go on, man. I'll check it out and see how I deal with. Let's see when I hold up the vibe much longer. Check out the Vendetta Boss himself. Alkaline, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿. Let's get it.
In front eye. Go over. Take over. Gyal.
Say in front time, what you do in front time? Hold on.
Take him. Take over.
Take over, what go on?
Take a girl man, your little section slippery. Sit down on the John when you're done with the pocket, them him a go spend enough grand. One with yourself, one with a bang. You know ask question, you just take a girl man. With that jump, when you know with that jump, switch up and no appeal, say you drop never see.
Hold on. The one after the ladies. Yeah, the one after the ladies. You see me, this is, we don't know how I come with the one I'm, you know, Consent Cartel just drop. A lot of people probably expect like a bad man tune, vibes tune, take a girl from a one type of tune. But man, go for this for the ladies. You see me, the ladies tell the girls say, yo, take a girl man. You see me, from your heart like that, cause from your whole slippery like that, from thing good like that, take a girl man. Alright. So for the ladies. So for the Vendetta ladies. Come on.
With yourself, one with a bang. You know ask question, you just take a girl man. With that jump, well and you want with them can't pitch up and no appeal, say you drop never see true better man. One with yourself, one with a bang. You can't take a girl man, you just take him when you want to.
Alright, talking about see them. I see them, he drop the one there from. Take a girl. Yeah, I mean, easy, you know, dog. Easy.
Put that right out election.
No people are gonna click the one and try run with it. I mean, it'll say with the narrative, you know. Me, come up with it. So when they don't run with the thing, and it's just a joke. I see them attack to see them take Cartel from Shorty. Oh, go on.
Girl, class you, make that public so you set an example. Girl, with it good, stay nice, something great, plus half them one way get girl answer. Spin pan it up like say a wheel and axle, tilt over your.
Yeah, man, spin pan it up like a wheel and axle. That's easy, that.
No, she not get him back. No inspire that Tony and shit news. Take a girl man, your little section slippery. Sit down on the John when you're done with the pocket, them him a go spend enough grand. One with yourself, one with a bang. You know ask question, you just take a girl man.
Easy now, man. Oh, go on and ask question, mama. You see me? Go on, Cho.
That jump well and you want with them can't pitch up and no appeal, say you drop never see true better man. One with yourself, one with a bang. You can't take a girl man, you just take a girl man. Life good every day, yeah, go and play that. When taking care of ya, want cheddar. Can't walk near ya and then know better. One pass through my bones, say ya, one record.
Then can't walk near yard and they know better. What pass him out say ya homemaker mama. Then can't walk some y'all say girl, you know. Can't even walk near the gate. Must just come at the yard and come in and pull the grill. That is talk.
Side flesh is a poor girl and say she never do it yet and say she sure. Any man she get is a girl man before a holy man give him some more. She don't know if you angle. Deception you wear good like a bangle. Mash up head arms get dismantle.
Buckler, she don't know if it angle. Deception. Buckler.
Man give him some more. She don't know if you angle. Deception you wear good like a bangle. Mash up head arms get dismantle. Fool in a bed axe where you show him.
Mash up head and get dismantle. Fool in a bed axe where you show him.
Girl I pray for your ease up. Where my fast with you for PP club. She should have control it before you give up. And your fault now make it stop. You just make you just take a girl, man. Your little section slippery. Sit down on the jar when you're done with the pocket. Tell me, man, go spend up 10 grand. One with yourself, so
yeah, man, the girl them I go love the one them answer. You see me, all them girl go on them a good girl, but all them a sing about take a girl, man, and all these things. Move up.
one with a bang, you no ask question, you just take a girl, man. With a drop, well, and you are with them can't be jump, man. One piece see a joke, never see two better run, but one with yourself, one with a bang. You can't take a girl, man, you just take a girl, man.
Easy now, man, take a girl, man, I'm telling you, man, the whole slippery, and you know, say, you go, hey! Alkaline easy, no! Problem, girl, with the bling bling my phone case and the lashes and the Uggs. Yeah, man, and the hot chips. Problem, girl. Yeah, man. That is it. Gang, take a girl and your mama. You see me? Yeah, man.
In early
Vendetta boss of all boss, Mr. Touch
2020.
himself. Mr. Whoosh move himself. The one there for the Vendetta ladies. You see me, the one the name Take a Gyal. You see me? That's the name of the song, but the song says Take a Gyal, man. You see me, I say gang, but yeah, man. Alkaline, Vendetta boss, Take a Gyal. Let me know one thing about the one in the comment section. Gang. If you like it, if you show the artist on love and support, make you know say the dancing. You see me, I say? Also, drop a comment, let me know your favorite part was beat, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. You already know what time it is, man. Let's get it, chop it up, let's get a dialogue going all the way. Also on the road to 10K. We're only 500 away from 7K and 3K away from 10K. Trying to hit that before January, gang. Will be a great Christmas, New Year's, and birthday gift. You feel me? I appreciate y'all, man. But yeah, man, it's a vibe. Alkaline, Take a Gyal, man. You see me, I say vibe. Vendetta ladies gonna love that one. It definitely came out for the ladies. You see me, so they gonna love that. It's on vibe. They gonna run it up. You see me, I say, but kind of expected something a little bit different from Alkaline, considering that Vybz Kartel just dropped. I thought he was gonna go more like the bad man route, and if he was gonna go the Gyal's route, like the guy's point of view type shit. Some riches talk your shit, like something crazy. You see me, I say, but it's a calm see. You see me, I say, dog do him thing. Ladies gonna love this one. This definitely a club banger. This got replay value to it, especially for the ladies. Got replay value to it. So not too ducky dog. It's a vibe. You definitely ain't gonna do the numbers that Vybz Kartel did with the Comet, but it's definitely doing numbers. It's definitely gonna do numbers, because Alkaline do numbers with visuals, but you're not gonna do with Vybz Kartel do with Comet, that's for sure. You can at least admit that. You know what I mean? But yeah, the Vendetta boss is back. I guess I don't know if he's back to being consistent, because Vybz Kartel there and something. I don't know if he's back to being consistent and he just threw out a one tune and see Kartel drop and Ray. But yeah, the Vendetta boss did drop. Check it out and swear dog I deal with. You see me, I said, go show the artist on the van so make you know say the dance and no gang. I know one of the favorite part was beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Let's get a dialogue going. Hit the like and subscribe button. On the road to 10K, you already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Most important part, each other. You see me, I say, love you guys. I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.